Hello and welcome to Laurice's Kitchen. A couple weeks ago I made my dinner rolls, which are essentially brioche buns. Immediately JKMCraveTV requested any sliders made on those brioche buns, and the slider love didn't end there. Keith Batag, Grilling with Grove, and Gregor Miller all thought sliders would be perfect on those brioche buns. So today I'm making meatball sliders. This meal falls somewhere between meatballs and meatloaf. Let's get started. I'm using the exact same meat mixture I do for both my meatballs and meatloaf. If you need more instruction, you can find the link to that video at the end of this one or in the description box below. I'm using my number 20 disher to scoop these out. Okay, I'm going to press this in here very tightly, and then I'm just going to flatten it just a little bit. Because there's a lot of vegetables in here, this won't shrink too much. The rest of this mixture I'm turning into meatballs. I'm topping these sliders with my meatloaf topping. That's a mixture of ketchup, brown sugar, and ground mustard, and caramelized onions. Once these are done caramelizing, we'll take these out and use this same pan to cook our sliders. Okay, these are done. Okay, I'm just adding a little bit more oil to this pan. And now we're going to add the sliders, and we don't want to overcrowd this. These will be finished under the broiler, so they're coming out and going on a foil-lined pan. We're topping each one of these with a little bit of that ketchup mixture. And caramelized onions. I'm serving these sliders with some crinkle cut French fries, and I know whichever one I bite into, it's going to be messy, but I also know they taste delicious. Let's give this a taste. Oh, these buns. Mmm. Perfect. Thank you for visiting Laurice's Kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, give the like button a click and don't forget to leave a comment. We're always happy to hear from you. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and don't keep us a secret. Share our videos with your friends and family. You can follow us on Facebook for behind-the-scenes pics and videos, and on Twitter for upcoming videos and the random cat picture.